Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Today on DoodleDrawArt, we're drawing cute characters from this Kawaii speed doodle for Easter. So we just drew this little rabbit, and we've drawn this cute little chick, and this cute little chick, and this cute little chick, and now we're going to draw another rabbit. So let's see, I think we'll draw this guy right up here. So I'm going to start off like I always do with my pencil, and I'm just going to draw a big circle here for his head, somewhere in the middle of my page. And I'm going to draw one ear going this way. And I'm going to draw another ear that goes that way too, but I'm going to shorten it up a little, and I'm going to pull it over this way so it looks like it folded over. And I'm going to show where the body is going to go for this rabbit, which is just going to be down here like this. And now I'm going to switch over to my black marker. I'm actually using a Muji gel pen, and I'm going to start off by doing this over here ear. So I'm just going to make this line curve under like this, and then I'm going to bring the ears down like so. And same thing for this other ear. I'm just going to trace around the line that I drew like so. Now I'm going to draw a cross between here, and now I'm going to go around his cheeks and stop just past the top of his body. Same thing on the other side, around and just past the body. Now I'm going to do the first leg, which is just following the body shape and then curving up. And on the other side, we'll follow the body shape and then curve up, and then we'll just connect the lines down here. There we go. Now we're going to draw a circle here with a circle inside, because we like to have that reflection in the eye. And I'll color this in with my fine point black pen. If you're looking for any of the materials I'm using, you can just check the video description and you can see what those are. And just click the info card if you want to watch the speed doodle or any of the other tutorials that I've done. So now we have his open eye and his closed eye, and we're going to draw his cute little bunny mouth. So it's just going to come up like this. And then I'm going to draw some tiny little rosy cheeks out here on the side. Kind of reminds me of a Pokemon. I guess that's because it's kawaii. Now I'm going to erase all of my pencil sketch marks so that they're no longer showing. And then I'm going to go over it with, you guessed it, a black marker. Just so I can have some extra weight to those outside lines. Because he looks awfully cute right now, but he's going to look even cuter once he stands out from the page a bit more. So I'm just going to grab my Fudenosuke Tombow brush tip pen. This is a hard tip. And what happens is if I press a little harder on this, I can draw out a thicker line. And you see as I lifted off the pressure, the line was thinner. So over here, it's harder for me to do it on this angle, but I guess I'll start at the top. I'm going to press hard, and then I'm going to lift off. Over here, same thing. I'm going to start off pressing hard, and then I'm going to lift off. If I was not drawing this for a tutorial, I would pick my paper up and turn it on an angle that worked for my hand. I don't want to have my hand in the way for you guys. So you see I didn't do that line because that's one of the inner lines of the character. So gentle pressure, press a little harder, and lift off. Now if you don't have a gel pen, if you don't have a brush tip pen, you can just make some extra lines to make your middle sections have a bit more weight to them. Or you can just do some thicker lines and not worry if they are getting thicker. All right, so now we've done 2 rabbits. We did this one and this one. We did 3 chickens, this one, and this one. And in our next video, we're going to do another rabbit. So come on back for the next video. Click the info card if you want to see any of the other tutorials. Thanks for watching.